The King of the Jungle, Lion, by Shreyas Kulkarni on 31st July 2020. What makes lion the king? Its strong legs, retractable claws, sharp teeth, and padded paws, and also its agility, dominance, power, and aggression. Lion fact sheet. General info. Group mammal. Location Africa and India. Habitat open woodland and grasslands. Color tawny, gold, blonde, and brown. Lifestyle diurnal and nocturnal. Size 1.4 meters to 2.5 meters. Weight 120 kilograms to 249 kilograms. Top speed 56 kilometers per hour and lifespan in the wild 10 to 15 years where they are active, and in the zoo up to 30 years where they are very lazy. Scientific terms: Kingdom Animalia, scientific name Panthera leo, genus Panthera, family Felidae. Here you can see the current lion range and the historic lion range. Lion status: conservation status vulnerable. 90% of lions have vanished in just 100 years. Estimated population size 23,000 to 20,000 in Africa, rest mainly in India. Roaring success: population of Asiatic lions in India up by 29% in last 5 years. Gir National Park helped conserve and increase lion count to 500. Biggest threat: habitat loss. Predators: human. World Wildlife Day is on 3rd of March. The life of the prince. Being young. Gestation almost 4 months. Weight at birth 1.5 to 2 kilograms. When it's time to give birth, a lioness leaves her pride and has her lion cubs in dense cover. Lioness keeps cubs hidden from lions for 6 weeks till they are old enough to join the pride. Lion cubs are born with tawny black spots which disappear as they grow up. When lions are born, they have their eyes closed and don't open them for 2 to 3 weeks. They can't see properly for 1 more week. It needs a lot of care and attention from their mother. Lioness typically has 3 to 6 cubs. Their age of maturity is 3 to 4 years. Lions are unique among the cats in that they live in a group or a pride. The members typically spend the day in several scattered groups that may unite to hunt or share a meal. It consists of several generations of lionesses, some of which are related, a smaller number of breeding males, and their cubs' size varies from 4 to 37, with average around 15. Each pride has a well defined territory consisting of a core area that is strictly defended against intruding lions and a fringe area where some overlap can be tolerated. Where the prey is abundant, a territory area may be as small as 20 square meters, but if the game is sparse, it may cover up to 400 square meters. Some prides have been known to use the same territory for decades, passing the area on between females. The lions proclaim their territory by roaring and scent marking. The distinctive roar is generally in the eve before a night's hunting or before getting up at the dawn. Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions are made or normally smaller than African lions. Habitat tropical broadleaf forests. Locomotion. Lions travel long distances and use roaring to communicate and locate other pride members. Food source: nilgai, deer, sambar, goats, and buffaloes. Relationship to humans were once found on numerous flags and coats of arms all across Asia and Europe to signify their greatness. These lions are found in Gir Forest National Park and surrounding areas. In May 2015, the 14th Asiatic Lion Census was conducted over an area of about 20,000 square kilometers, 7,700 square miles. The lion population was estimated at 523 lions, including 109 males and 201 females and 213 cubs. In August 2017, the surveyors counted 650 wild Asiatic lions. Here you can see the photo of male Asiatic lion in the Gir National Park. You can see a map of India in which pink spots are the former populations and the blue spots are the current populations. Bodily features: lifespan 15 to 18 years. Weight: adult males 160 to 190 kilograms, females 110 to 120 kilograms. Height at shoulders 3.5 feet. Length: male Asiatic lions 2.92 meter including the tail. Cool fact: Asiatic lions are one of the main subspecies of the lions. Compared to African lions, adult males have scantier manes and a skin fold over their belly. It is easy to tell the two subspecies apart because the ears of Asiatic lions are always visible, unlike the African lions. African lion. Geographical footprint: extinct in North Africa, now found in the south of the Africa. Habitat: from grasslands of East Africa to the sands of Kalahari Desert. Maneless males. In West Africa's Pendjari National Park, nearly all male lions have a little to no mane. Other maneless lions have been sighted in Tsavo East National Park in Kenya and Dindar National Park in Sudan and in Senegal. Here you can see the two photos of male African lion and female African lions. Bodily features: average lifespan 10 to 14 years. Weight: adult males 150 to 250 kilograms, females 110 to 180 kilograms. Length: male African lions up to 3 meters including the tail. Female African lions up to 2.7 meters including the tail. Tail length is 60 to 90 centimeters. Their main prey are antelopes, gazelles, warthogs, small carnivores, and occasionally Cape buffalo, giraffe, and young elephants and deer. Interesting facts of lions, Part 1. Did you know that young lions practice role playing? Young lion cubs spend a great deal of time playing together, which actually helps them to develop their hunting techniques. This method of role playing in the cubs also helps females to determine whether or not they would be suited better to chase or to corner the prey, or killing or catching it. Lions have long been kept in zoos and in captivity. In the 18th century England, the price of admission to the Tower Menagerie, the precursor to the London Zoo, was 3 pence, or a cat or a dog to be fed to the lions. The roar is a sign of dominance. The louder, the better. Lions use these impressive roars to warn rivals and show off how big and bad they are. Males have a deeper roar than lionesses. The incredible roar is caused by a ligament in their voice box. The ligament is stretched to enable more air to pass across vocal cords, making a loud sound. Lions do most of their hunting at night as their eyes have adapted to the dark and giving them a huge advantage over the prey. They hunt more during storms as the noise and wind both make it harder for the prey to see and hear them. When hunting, lionesses have specific roles. Some play the role of center and others play the role of wing. The wings chase the prey towards the centers. Interesting facts of lions. Part 2. The mane. Male lion's mane is the most recognizable feature of the lions. It may have evolved around 320,000 to 190,000 years ago. It starts growing when the lions are about a year old. Mane color varies and darkens with age. Research shows its color and size are influenced by environmental factors such as average ambient temperature. Darker mane individuals may have longer reproductive lives and higher offspring survival, although they suffer in the hottest months of the year. The tail. Lions have a long tail which helps them to balance. The tail has a black tassel at the end, which first appears when the lion is between 5 to 7 months old. This can be used to lead other lions through the long grass. Lions raise their tail to give a follow me signal and also use it to communicate with the pride while hunting. It also helps the cubs keep up with mother while she waves her tail around. By flicking its tail, a lion can warn others to stay away as it is in a bad mood. While lions are generally social creatures, prides generally consist of 80% females. For this reason, only about 1 in 8 male lions survive to adulthood. Groups of male lions sometimes band together, controlling vast swaths of territory. One famous band of male lions in South Africa's Kruger National Park controlled over 170,000 acres and was estimated to kill more than 100 rivals and cubs. Thank you. For feedback, you can simply email to 1506shreyas@gmail.com.